Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best magnet fishing magnets is probably one of the most exciting and adventurous hobbies that combines the thrill of treasure hunting with the relaxation of fishing. You'll never know what treasures you can find under the water, from old relics to modern metallic junk. It's a unique way to explore and discover hidden histories and underwater mysteries, and with the right magnet, you can even make some money by selling your finds. Number 5. MUTUACTOR 400 pounds fishing magnet. It boasts a 400 pounds pull force, perfect for retrieving metal objects from water. Its neodymium magnets ensure a strong hold on ferrous or nickel items. This kit comes with everything you need: a powerful magnet, 65 feet of durable rope, and protective gloves. It's ready to use right out of the box. The triple-layer coated iron protector ensures excellent cleaning and reduces dust. It's built to last, with minimal magnetic loss over time. Go on a treasure hunt in rivers, lakes, or even your backyard. It's ideal for finding lost metal objects. Explore underwater and discover hidden treasures with this magnet and its long rope. It's a fun and exciting hobby for all ages. This isn't just for fishing. Use it to organize your workspace, hang heavy items, or retrieve lost metal parts. What we like. It boasts a powerful pull force and comes with everything you need to get started, including a durable rope. If you're new to magnet fishing and want a reliable, affordable option, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners looking for a fun and engaging outdoor activity. What people say. Good magnet, very strong. Don't put this flat on a ferrous surface unless you have a plan to get it off. It's definitely as strong as advertised, works great for my intended use. I like the fact that the cord that it comes with is nice and bright, so it's easy to find. The gloves that it came with are pretty decent. Good to have when you're handling metal and rusty items. And the case that it comes with is nice to put everything back into, so you don't get back to your vehicle all dirty and wet. It's only little, but it's very powerful. I got it stuck on a metal strip of the bridge handrail and it took 2 of us to get it off. Comes with a decent length rope for tossing off bridges, etc., and a handy little storage pouch to keep it all together. Number 4. 2600 lb Magnet Fishing Kit. With its powerful magnet and extra long rope, it's easy to explore deep waters and discover what lies beneath. This kit is perfect for adventurers of all skill levels. It includes a strong neodymium magnet, durable rope, grappling hook, gloves, and a convenient carrying case. You'll be ready for your next adventure in no time. The N52 grade neodymium magnet boasts an impressive 2600 lb pull force. It's built to withstand even the toughest underwater conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this kit is designed for simplicity. The waterproof case and cut-resistant gloves ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. The 65-foot rope gives you the reach to explore deep waters and uncover hidden treasures. Start your underwater adventure today. What we like. This kit offers an unparalleled pulling power and comes with a convenient waterproof case for easy storage and transport. If you're a serious magnet fisher seeking the strongest magnet on the market, this is the one for you. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for tackling challenging retrieval tasks. What people say. Absolutely wonderful set. The packaging was great. The quality of materials is high. I've had a blast fishing with this. This turned out to be a surprisingly helpful purchase. It's a very nicely manufactured item in a very nice storage box. The magnet itself is very well machined and finished. Its quality is excellent. It comes with a long nicely braided rope with attached carabiner. It also comes with a small bottle of thread lock, gloves and a small grappling hook. And goodness, this magnet is strong. Within a week after receiving the magnet, it helped me retrieve a small flagpole and a tiny AC power connecting bracket that fell in the water. The magnet itself is quite strong, almost couldn't get it off the steel leg of the dock I was fishing off of. The case is pretty good, rope okay. Pulled in a 1-2 socket ratchet on first couple throws. Number 3. AnglerMag 1325 pounds Magnet Kit. Introducing the AnglerMag 1325 pounds Magnet Fishing Kit. It's got the power to retrieve even the most stubborn items from the depths. This kit features a powerful, double-sided magnet, maximizing your chances of a successful retrieval. You'll be amazed at what it can pull up. A strong rope and a reliable carabiner are included, ensuring secure and safe operation. It's built to last. Safety and versatility are key. That's why it comes with protective gloves and a handy grappling hook to assist with tricky retrievals. Everything you need is neatly organized in a durable carrying bag. It's easy to transport and store. This complete 10-piece set has everything you need to start your magnetic fishing adventure right away. Get yours today. What we like. It features a double-sided design for increased pulling power and includes all the necessary accessories. If you need a powerful and versatile magnet for various applications, this is a solid option. Its double-sided design makes it efficient for retrieving items from different angles. What people say. Pretty comprehensive kit to get you started in a new hobby. All you have to add is water and some ragged clothes. Magnet is strong, but after a while you would probably want to move up to a bigger one. Minimal setup that could have you throwing the next day. Thread lock has to cure overnight. Bag to dry the rope is a nice touch. I've used the AnglerMag magnet fishing kit with my dad, and it works great. The powerful 1,200 pounds neodymium magnet is incredibly strong, and the 65 feet nylon rope is durable and reliable. The gloves provide good protection, and the waterproof carry case is super handy. This is exactly what I wanted. After reading other reviews I was skeptical, but after unboxing I was very happy. As you can see in the video, I made it had everything there, as expected, and the magnet is very strong. I put the magnet on my door frame and I had to angle it off the edge to yank it off, otherwise there is no pulling it straight off. I went to my backyard and started putting it on anything metal around, and it was still a very strong hold. Number 2. DIYMAG Strong Fishing Magnet. It boasts an incredible 1,300 pounds of pulling force, thanks to its powerful neodymium magnets. That's enough to retrieve almost anything from the depths. It's built to last with a triple-layer coating for superior rust resistance and protection. The strong magnets are permanently embedded, ensuring years of reliable use. With 650 pounds of pulling force on each side, it's twice as effective at retrieving items. You'll be amazed at what it can lift. This magnet is perfect for fishing, salvage, or any lifting task. The included rope and gloves make it safe and easy to use. Made with rare earth neodymium magnets, it provides unparalleled strength and longevity. This is a magnet that will serve you well for years to come. We're so confident in its quality that it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. What we like. This magnet provides exceptional pulling power thanks to its double-sided design and boasts a durable coating for long-lasting performance. If you prioritize durability and powerful retrieval, this is the right choice. Its robust construction withstands harsh conditions, making it suitable for frequent use. What people say. Magnet is amazing. They way overshot my expectations. Strong magnet. If what you are searching for has ferrous metal, it will find it and grab it so you can haul it in. Number 1. King Kong 1,200 pounds magnet kit. Introducing the King Kong 1,200 pounds magnet fishing kit. It's incredibly strong, with a pulling force of up to 1,200 pounds. This kit boasts powerful neodymium magnets, steel-plated for superior durability and rust resistance. It's built to last. Recover lost items from rivers, lakes, or anywhere metal objects might be hiding. It's perfect for treasure hunting. Everything you need is included: protective gloves, a strong rope, carabiners, and even thread locker to keep it all secure. Looking for a unique and exciting gift? This kit is perfect for any occasion, giving the gift of adventure and discovery. With its double-sided design, it offers even more pulling power, maximizing your chances of finding hidden treasures. What we like. It offers a strong pull force and includes all the necessary accessories for a seamless magnet fishing experience. If you are looking for a well-rounded kit with a good balance of power and convenience, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want a complete package without breaking the bank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.